Hi, I'm Branimir, CTO and co-founder of OriginTrail. With our development team, we're building the OriginTrail decentralized network and protocol based on blockchain, which is there to solve issues in global supply chains and bring transparency within them. We're actually organizing an open call for projects that are innovative and ready to join us on this mission. And therefore we have reserved quite a lot of tokens for everyone of the 10 winning teams to be building on top of the OriginTrail decentralized network. Not only that, but we also are opening our doors here in the Belgrade office in Serbia, where our development team is headquartered, to actually do a 3-day on-site workshop for the winning team of the open call, as well as online mentorship options that we will be organizing. So having that said, I invite you to apply to the open call until November 9th, and I'm looking forward to reviewing your applications. Thank you, and trace on.